$6.51. And they're only on 629. We've got a ways to go, but it's worth the wait.
This place started in 1914. It's over 100 years old. It's going to be here for the next 500 years. The display cases where you got all the fish, the cream cheese mountains, the tuna, you name it, they got it. So you can see the ratio of salmon to bagel is about half salmon and then half everything else. So Russ Daughters is all about the fish.
So what I really love about this sandwich is that the cream cheese is on either side of the bagel. So each bite is the perfect bite, and it is a really silky, salty, perfectly flavored lox. So I love this.